Welcome back. October 20th, just now the third hour of the day. Just want to show you some of the progress and work that I'm doing on 10530 Fairland Drive. I'm digging up this ditch this morning. See what I'm doing here. Yeah, this is some tall grass. As you can see, it's like about almost as high as the grass on the property. So I'm trying to clear this down. I'm using my little machete to do this by hand. Morning. Neighbors passing by, seeing me all the time. Everybody going to church. It's Sunday morning right now. So yeah, it's my tool. Get the job done. And my rake. So yeah, this is some bush I've been working on. Trying to clear this all up. And get this mess out of here. There's all kind of junk in here. They have, oh my gosh, you name it. Plastic, clothes, snakes, glass bottle. Look at that. You can't see it when you're watching this like this, you know. You can't see it really, but when you cut that grass down, and you see the mess that's under there. So I did this, I was just working on this side right now. And I did this here early. Been here from since sunrise. Since sun up around 7 o'clock this morning. And I accomplished this much. Clearing up the ditch. This is where my neighbor line starts. So I don't want to do any extra free work for people. I mean, I love to do free work, but you got to give some donation. But anyway, so this is what I've been doing from sunrise this Sunday morning, clearing up the ditch. And yeah, I found a little baby snake. You know what that means. Where there's a baby, probably got mother, daddy, and family. So yeah, I'm gonna do all of this. Ditch here. Come all the way to the corner of Dullcrest and Fairland. The stop sign right there. And I did some of this a few days ago. Incomplete, yet to be done. And so, yeah, gonna do this whole ditch here. Go all the way down this side. Let me just walk you down so you can see. It's yet to be done. And then when I am done, I'm gonna show you after video of all the work that I did. You can see how high it is. See me stoop down. You can see the level and see the whole thing, how it looks like before video. Then you're gonna have an after video after this. Just stay tuned. Because Judah forever is forever. So coming all the way down to the end here. I'm gonna stop right here. This is where the neighbor comes to a stop at the corner, the junction, I could say. And who knows what I'm gonna find? A few more $1 million? Yeah. Anyway, till next time, Judah forever.